Hey friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC. So what you want to do, click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to click on settings. Now from here on the left hand side, you want to click on system and you want to scroll down to where you'll find recovery. Click on that. Now from here you have on the recovery option, reset this PC. Click on that reset PC button there. Now here you have two options. The remove everything is going to completely reset your computer back to when you bought it. So there's no files, everything will be gone. While the keep your files simply mean that it will restore your Windows, but you will still have your files, you'll still have those personal files, right? So it will remove all apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files. While the second one, you will remove all your personal files, app settings, yada, 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 back to square one. So if that's what you're looking for, you can simply choose that option. First one, if you choose to keep your files, when you click at that, it will take some time it will give you two options. You can basically download and reinstall Windows here, and you also have the local reinstallation. So choose whichever option you want, then go ahead and proceed with the steps. Very easy. And your computer will be rebooted. And once that is all done and completed, your computer will be reset. Very easy and very simple, guys.